So we are starting polynomials. So to understand polynomials, first we have to understand some basics. So first is constant. So a constant is defined as something which has a fixed value, whose value is fixed value. So constants have fixed value. For example, 2, the value of 2 is fixed. 2, the value of 2 is always 2. 3, pi, value of pi is always fixed. -8, -1, the value of these are always fixed. So these are called as constants. Next we have variables. Variables are those whose values is not fixed. So value is not fixed. Constant have fixed value, whereas variables value is not fixed. So let's take an example, x plus y equal to 5. So here value of x and y is not fixed. X can be 2 and y can be 3 also, because 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, x can be 1 and y can be 4. So it is 5. X can be -10, y can be +15. So this is also 5. So the value of x and y is not fixed. It can change. So these are called as variables. These are called as variables. Next we have a non-negative integer. So next we have non-negative integer. Non-negative integers. So non-negative integers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So these are called the non-negative integers. Now we will understand a term. So term is made up of constant, variable and a non-negative integer. So let's say 5x square. This is a term. 2x, 4y cube. These all are terms. These are made of constants, variables and non-negative integers. -8y to the power of 4. This is also a term. So these are also all terms. 5x square, 2x, 4y cube, -8y to the power 4. These are all terms. So the polynomial is made up of various terms. So polynomial is made up of different terms. So polynomial is a combination of different terms. We can add or subtract terms to make a polynomial. Polynomial is a combination of different terms. We can add and subtract different terms to make a polynomial. So let's say I had two terms, y cube and 3y. So if I add these two terms, then I get polynomial p1x equal to y cube plus 3y. Here the power of y is 1. So this you can remember. If I subtract these two terms, then I get another polynomial p2x equal to y cube minus 3y. So based on addition and subtraction of these terms, we can make different polynomials. Now we come to general representation of a polynomial. Let's say we have a polynomial in x. So it is generally represented as a0 x to the power of 0 plus a1 x to the power of 1 plus a2 x to the power of 2 and up to infinity. So normally we denote infinity by n. So up to a n x n, where n can be infinity as well. Here a0, a1, a2 are constants. So value of a0 can be anything. A0 can be -1, -2, -3, 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. A0 can be any constant. A0, A1, A2, A3, A1, A0, A1, A2 up to an. These all are constants. And this is a polynomial in x because the variable is x. This is a variable, the variable is x. So this is a polynomial is in x and it is denoted by p of x. So these all are constants. So we can take an example. Let's say that a0 is equal to 2, a1 is equal to -3, a2 is equal to 4 and a3 is equal to 5, and all other are 0. So it will be equal to 2x to the power 0. Try to solve it. So p of x will be equal to 2x to the power of 0 minus 3x to the power of 1 plus 4x to x square plus 5x cube, and all other are 0. So this is equal to x to the power 0 is 1. So 2 minus 3x plus 4x square plus 5x cube. So this is our polynomial. So similarly we can have a polynomial in y. We just need to replace x by y. Now we come to degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is the highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. X, y, anything. Highest power of variable. So here the variable is x. So the power of x is, here the power of x is 2. The polynomial is 2x square plus 3x 5 plus 9x 1 plus 3x 0. So power of x is 2, 5, 1 and 0. So the highest power is 5. So the highest power is equal to the degree of polynomial. So highest power is equal to degree and it is equal to 5. So this is how we find the degree of polynomial. It is the highest power of variable. The highest power of x here is 5. Now in polynomial the power is always positive only. The power is positive only. The power of variable is positive only. It cannot be negative. Power cannot be -5, -4. Power cannot be negative. Also power can't be in root. Power can't be in root. Can't be negative and can't be in root. So like it cannot be √2, √3. Power can never be in root. Power can never be negative. Power can never be in root, and power can't be in fraction also. Power cannot be in fraction also. So 1/4, 1/3, 1/2. These are not possible. Power should only be a non-negative integer. Power is only non-negative integer. Power of a polynomial can never be Negative can never be root, can never be fraction, only non-negative integer from 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. So these are the basics of polynomial. In next we will discuss the further concepts. Thank you. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.